Did you know that the algorithms running Google search leaked? Yes, they did. The leak gave us a sneak peek into how Google ranks websites. With this knowledge and 20+ years of web experience, we have compiled the step-by-step guide to take your website to the top of Google. Hey there, my name is Thiago Mazeu and I'm a content creator here at One.com. And whether you have created your website with our website builder or are planning to start one, there are many things you can do to get ahead of your competition. While Website Builder takes care of a lot of optimizations automatically, there are a bunch of other things that you can do to get ahead of your competition. The first thing is to make sure your page SEO is on point. In the Website Builder dashboard, you will find Marketing and SEO in the panel on your left. Click the SEO option. Here, you will find a unified list of all pages on your website. Make sure the option to display your website in search results is turned on. Next, you will find a list of pages. Pick the first one and ensure it's also included in search results. If you haven't disabled it, it should already be active. Next, you can create a custom title and meta description. It can be smart to create a compelling title just for Google. Include the keywords you're targeting in your title. If you're unsure how to find the right keywords, check out this video here about keyword research. For our sushi restaurant, a good title option might be Best Sushi in London, award-winning restaurant. The meta description doesn't directly impact your search ranking, but a compelling description can get clicks and boost your page. Include a CTA, which is call to action, in your meta description. This can be a promise or a compelling reason to click, like try your award-winning sushi. The meta description should be between 100 and 160 characters in total. In the big Google leak, one thing stood out to us. Google uses LLMs, which stands for Large Language Models, often simply called AI, to analyze your page and give it to a so-called page quality score. It tries to evaluate how hard it could be for others to recreate your content. This means that unique text and content with relevant images and videos might give you a nice boost. Website Builder includes many tools to help you impress Google and make your page unique. You can add text, drag and drop a gallery of photos, easily add a video, and much more. Try to write and add content about topics in which you are an expert. If you find it hard to start writing, use our AI writing assistant. It uses AI to generate or modify text directly on your website and is built on OpenAI's technology for the highest quality. Once it has generated a text, you can change it to make it your own. Think about how you can insert your style and add something personal. Anyone can write using AI, but only you can provide the expertise that takes your website to the next level. Now let's do a lightning round. Here are 5 tips for better SEO in the Website Builder. Number 1, if you add an image, click on it and then click Edit Image. Click SEO to add an alt tag. Write a short description of the image. This shows Google that you're using relevant images and it can help people with visual impairments. Number 2, check your spelling. Double-click a text field to enter editing mode. Your browser will automatically check for spelling errors. Click a word with a red underline to view your options. Number 3, use the correct headings. Organize your content using heading 2 and use heading 3 as subheadings. Good use of headings make your page easier to read and helps Google understand the content of your page. Number 4, choose short and easy to understand and relevant URLs for your pages. To edit a page URL, click this button right here and then Settings. Number 5, link your internal pages to encourage readers to stay on your website. Help Google understand your website structure and boost your page's keywords. So that was our top 5. Like this video if you found that helpful. Now, if you're starting a local business, there is much more to explore. We recommend our business and e-commerce plan. For starters, you can publish and edit all the information about your local business from Website Builder. Just create or connect your local listing and you will have a one-stop shop for your listings on Google. Once your website is online, use our SEO scan feature to ensure you have everything under control. Just head to the dashboard and click Marketing and SEO. And then from there, do an SEO scan to understand what else you can improve. This feature is also exclusive to our business and e-commerce plan. If you want to start an online shop with the website builder, you totally can, and it's super easy. Just click the online shop button in the dashboard to get started. If you like this video and want some more help with SEO for your online shop, just leave a comment down below. There's an exciting detail from Google leak called NavBoost. Google has previously denied it, but they use Google Chrome to track what people click. That means keeping people engaged on your website is very important. Our best SEO tip is creating the most engaging website possible. Work on it daily and improve it by making the content, navigation, and overall experience as good as possible. Great SEO is not always about manipulating an algorithm. It's about creating a compelling website. To understand what content your visitors are most interested in, check out this video right here about Google Analytics. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.